Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your video on CapCut PC. So get like a video of you dancing, and I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I am going to go to cutout and I'm going to select the auto cutout button on the second video. Then I'm going to copy and paste it 2 more times, and on the one behind I'm going to add a keyframe like on this one. And then, for instance, like here, I'm going to move it slightly to the right. And then I'm going to go back, well, I'm going to like move this like line here. And then I'm going to select position 2 times so it goes back to where it was. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other one, but to the left instead of the right. I'm going to add in another keyframe here. And then here I'll add in another keyframe, and I'm going to move it to the left side. Then I will go to that keyframe and I will put the position back. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!